We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Hello students, so today we will discuss about some important questions, Viva related questions in organic chemistry. So first question may be like, what is the functional group? The group of atoms that largely determines the property of organic compound is called the functional group. Name any 4 functional group. The answer will be hydroxyl group, amino group, carboxyl group and aldehyde group. Name the functional groups present in the alkenes and alkynes. So the answer will be alkenes are unsaturated hydrocarbons with C double bond C bond present in them. Alkynes are unsaturated hydrocarbons with a C double bond C bond present in them. What is Beer test for unsaturation? When Beer's reagents alkyline potassium permanganate is added to unsaturated common compound, its color gets discharged, indicating presence of unsaturation, that is C double bond C in the compound. 2 alkynes turn the litmus paper red. Question number 6. Which is the more acidic, an alcohol or phenol? A phenol will be more acidic. Why is alcohol dry before carrying out the sodium metal test? Because the water also reacts with the sodium metal and gives a hydrogen gas with Briggs effervescence. What is the use of Lucas reagent? It is used to distinguish between the primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols. Which of the two is more acidic, phenol or carboxylic acid? Carboxylic acid is more acidic. Name a test by which it distinguishes between hexylamine and aniline. The answer will be dye test. Name two a test which distinguishes aldehyde from ketone. The answer will be Tollens is a Fehling test. Name a reagent used to detect the carbonyl group in a compound, that is a 2,4-dinitrophenyl hydrazine. That is a reagent. What is Tollens reagent? It's ammoniacal silver nitrate solution. What is the use of Skip reagent? Skip's reagent is used to detect aldehyde group. Give one test to distinguish between aldehyde and ketone. Tollens test can be used to distinguish between the aldehyde and ketone. What is Rochel's salt? Sodium potassium tartrate is a Rochel's salt. What is Fehling solution? It is obtained by mining equal volumes of copper sulfate solution, that is Fehling A, and a solution of sodium hydroxide containing sodium potassium tartrate, Fehling B. How is the nitrous acid is prepared? When sodium nitrate is reacted with dilute HCl at temperature below 5 degrees centigrade, nitrous acid is produced. What is the application of carbylamine reaction? It is used to detect primary amine. How can phenol and aniline can be distinguished chemically? Phenol is soluble in aqueous NaOH solution, that is sodium hydroxide, whereas aniline is not. Aniline is soluble in dilute HCl, whereas phenol is not. In contrast to aromatic primary amines, aliphatic primary amines do not form stable diazonium salt. Why? The answer will be because alkyl carbocation form on decomposition of diazonium salt is more stable than phenyl carbocation. Why is aniline weaker base than ammonia? Because the lone pair of nitrogen in aniline is delocalized over benzene ring and is not fully available for sharing with acids. And this is a question number 22. Question number 23. How can you distinguish between methanol and ethanol chemically? Methanol and ethanol can be distinguished by iodoform test. Ethanol gives yellow precipitate of iodoform in the test, whereas methanol does not give any kind of reaction for the positiveness. Other questions like what is the Clancy-Smith reaction? It is the condensation of aromatic aldehyde and aliphatic ketones or aryl alkyl ketones in the presence of dilute sodium hydroxide solution. What is the IUPAC name of acetaldehyde? That is phenyl ethanamide of zinc dust in the preparation of acetaldehyde. The answer will be it reduces the colored impurity present in the aniline. It prevents the oxidation of aniline during the reaction. Give the formula of 2-naphthalene aniline dye. That is the formula. It contains the 3-benzene between the 2 nitrogen attached with a double bond and hydroxyl group adjacent to that double bond. What is the color of 2-naphthol aniline dye? That is orange red. What is diazonium reaction? It is a reaction of primary aromatic amine with nitrous acid to form the diazonium salt. The reaction is carried out at low temperature, below 5 degrees centigrade. This is a reaction. What is the coupling reaction? It is a reaction of diazonium salt with highly activated benzene rings such as phenolic ring. The reaction involves electrophilic substitution and the product obtained is generally a dye. Which of the following compound is on a diazotization followed by coupling with beta-naphthol will form a azodie? The 3 compounds are there. First one is the para-toluene, benzylamine, and N-methylaniline. The answer will be para-toluene because it is a primary aromatic amine. The other questions like what is radical? It is a group of atoms of one or more elements which behave as a single entity and maintains its integrity or identity in a chemical reaction. Examples are ammonium ion, chloride ion, sulfate ion. What is the acidic radical? The part of the salt which comes from acid is called the acidic radical. The examples are chloride, nitrate, and sulfates. What is basic radical? The part of the salt which comes from base is called the basic radical. The examples are ammonium, calcium ion, barium ion, and lead ion. What do you mean by qualitative analysis? Qualitative analysis deals with the detection and identification of constituent elements or ions present in the chemical substance. What do you mean by quantitative analysis? Quantitative analysis deals with the determination of the amount of constituent present in the substance. Why soda extract is prepared in the identification of acidic radical? To avoid the interference of basic radicals, soda extract is prepared for identification of acid radical. Which burner is commonly used in laboratory? That is a Bunsen burner. What is lime water? It is a solution obtained by dissolving lime in water and then filtering the solution. Which gas turns lime water milky? That is a carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide. What is the compound formed when carbon dioxide and SO2 is passed in lime water and the solution becomes milky? That is calcium carbonate, and calcium sulfide. Why the milky color disappears when passing excess carbon dioxide gas in the lime water? Due to the formation of a soluble colorless calcium bicarbonate. That is the formula. And these are the others questions like Lessines test and sodium metal reactions between the different elements. Sodium metal questions like this one. Why ordinary water? No, we cannot. Solution. Identify aliphatic and aromatic compound. Why aromatic compound burn with black and smoky flame? And how can you distinguish nitrogen in sodium extract? How can you taste the sulfur in sodium extract? What is the formula for sodium oxide? How can you taste the halogen in sodium extract? Thank you. This is the end of the lecture.